the Arcus help channel. In today's video, we'll take a quick look at certificates. As you may have noticed, one does not sign into Arcus with a username and password. Instead, you must register your account with a certificate, either from a Common Access Card, or CAC, or from an external certification authority, an ECA. To log into your account, click the Sign In button here, and select the proper cert from the list your browser provides. Now, to manage your certificates, make your way to Profile and Account. Select Security and scroll down to PKI Certificates. To remove an old certificate, click this X next to it. And to add a new certificate to your account, stay tuned for our next video. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.